In this video, I will be providing insight into what an inductor is and how they act in DC circuits. An inductor is basically a coil of wire surrounding a magnetic core. It works on the principle that when current passes through a wire, a magnetic field is produced. The magnitude of this field is proportional to the number of turns in the inductor and also the current passing through it. However, the inductor doesn't want its initial magnetic field to change, therefore it will resist this change when a current is applied. The magnetic field will still increase in magnitude, but not instantly, instead at a rate dependent on time. As magnetic field and current passing through the inductor are proportional, it also will increase at a certain rate, dependent on the formula. Current of the inductor equals to applied voltage over resistance 1 minus e to the power of negative t over tau. Tau being the time constant of the inductor, given by tau equals to inductance over the circuit's resistance. The magnetic field can only increase to a certain size. At this size, the current through the inductor becomes constant. This is known as the steady state, which occurs at 5 time constants. The value of this constant current is close to that of the applied, but never actually reaches it. This is due to a small internal resistance inside the inductor. This current is then stored in the inductor's magnetic field until the circuit is turned off, then releasing the stored energy back through the components until the energy has been dissipated. This energy will decrease in a way similar to that of how it is stored, denoted by current of the inductor equals to applied voltage over resistance exponential of negative t over tau. Due to these properties, inductors are useful for storage of energy in their magnetic fields and resisting sudden changes in current in circuits. The concept of inductors is a difficult one to grasp. However, think of it as how a train begins to move. The train being the current passing through the inductor. It will begin to move slow, a small value, building up speed, current, at an increasing rate until the rate finally reaches a maximum value where it's using all the available energy, remaining at a constant speed. Thank you for watching. I now hope you have gained further understanding of how inductors act in DC circuits.